Hello, I'm Darlene. You all know I ride motorcycles. A couple of y'all didn't know I do art, so welcome to the art studio tour. I'm gonna start out by saying it's beyond a little messy in here, and this was originally meant and built to be my art, my shed, but we have so much shit that it has become everybody's shed, and I have been relegated to like an L-shaped corner. All right, let's start the tour. I have excessive cat litter that could not be stored in the house. A fan. This is where I do like my spray painting, and I need like a corner with a spinny wheel. Multiple shelves. And then we get into the fun corner because I enjoy painting with natural light for the most part, unless it's really cold. So I've got my very wonderful easel over here. We've got some homemade shelving. It's really messy in here. But, you know, I like it that way, so I can find all my shit. They don't need to find it. Got some projects started over here. My little paint palette I made. The latest piece I just finished. Finished that one. That was my black and white guide over there that I go by. I'm actually getting ready to start on the deer project because it's a trio of fables that go with traditional pieces. I do all my sketching in Procreate. The horseshoe thing is actually a picture holder my husband made. He likes to weld. Those drawers is my acrylics. I mostly work in acrylics. They are color coordinated except for the white. The white is where I keep my light pink. Everything else is color coordinated. Then I have my old art trolley cart full of shit. This is mostly like mediums, varnishes, things like that, paintings. That's all the oil paint that I own. And this was a guinea pig test piece I did with some resin. That one's a finished piece. I actually do a wee bit of woodworking. I'm still learning a lot, so I made the picture frame it's sitting in. I made that candle piece over there too. It's really hard to see. Hold on. She's cute. Then we've got saddle storage. All my trim pieces I use to make picture frames. An old ass chair that I sit on. And then everybody else is junk. I've got drills, motorcycle parts I paint with, that's my automotive paint over there, and polish and shine and grit and all that. A bait tank. Anybody want to buy a bait tank? It's $750. It's brand new. Anyway, my heater's hid up under my motorcycle parts. But so, I mean, for the most part, it's mostly my art shed. But yeah, this is where I paint. But anyway, that's my art studio. This is where I paint for the most part. This is Hazel. We were outside on a walk when I decided to spur of the moment do this. But yeah, so if you have any questions about art, if it's dealing with acrylic and watercolor and gouache, I can mostly answer those. I do a lot of mixed media. Don't really play with oil. I dabbled because I like Bob Ross, but that's about it. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below. Till the next time.